Good morning, children. Hope you are fine. Today we will learn something interesting. I know you all like drawings. So today we will draw a lollipop. Children, go, run and get your slate and chalk. Now follow the instructions step by step with me. First, we will draw a circle. Very good. Then draw a standing line below the circle. See, our lollipop is ready. It's so simple. You know what you have to do now. You have to practice this again and again. Now open your book, make a lollipop yourself and fill your favorite color in it. Don't forget to send me picture of your sheet. I'm waiting, okay? Bye.